guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Billionaire. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you a way in which you can earn free BNB to your Faucet Pay account, then directly to your Trustwallet account. So guys, if you are watching this video and you like what we are doing on this channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be notified of that. As simple as that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be introducing to you guys is called freebinance.top. So guys, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. So when you click on the link below, it's going to be taking you to this site where you're going to be registering. So guys, I already have an account on this site, so I can't register multiple accounts. So when you finish, or when you are done registering your own and log in on this is what you're going to be seeing here. As you can see, this is the amount of coins I have already had so far, just some minutes ago. And to earn on this site, all you have to do is click on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, which is over there. And when you click on it, as you can see here, when you refer, you're going to be earning 15% from what your referrals are earning. And this is how you can also earn on this site: by Faucet, Mad Faucet, as you can see here, Wheel Faucet, by spinning wheels, short links, Auto Faucet, and PTC ads. So guys, I'm showing you on the Faucet. And when you click on Faucet, all you have to do is scroll down and you're going to be seeing this over here, and you're going to impute them accordingly: 3, 2, and 5. Sorry. So we're going to be imputing them now. As you can see them here in Roman figures: 3, 2, and 5. And you complete the captcha here: I am human. Selecting trains. So after you've been verified, you scroll up and you're going to see this over here: collect your reward. So when you click on collect your reward, I'm going to be given some coins. As you can see here, good job, 50 token has already been added to your balance. So when you go back to your dashboard, you're going to see that it has already been added to our balance. So guys, to also earn, when you click on the three lines again, you're going to be seeing other ways in which you can earn by all the means I have showed you earlier, as you can see them here. So when you do them, you are going to be earning some coins for yourself. So guys, to withdraw on this site, all you have to do is to click on the withdraw, which is over here. And when you click on withdraw, you scroll down and you are going to be seeing over here. So you are going to, as you can see here, Binance Faucet. So you click on this white space there, and over here you are going to be seeing the amount of coins which is going to be sent, and the minimum withdrawal for this on this site is 1,500 tokens. So guys, when you've reached the minimum of 1,500 tokens over here, then you place your withdrawal to your Faucet Pay account, and it's going to be sent directly to your Faucet Pay account. So guys, if you don't know how to create a Faucet Pay account, I'm going to be dropping a link to the video on how you can create a faucet pay account to withdraw your earnings. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be updated on that. Thanks for watching.